Hello, you lot. You come to say hello today? You shy female. Shy female. Yeah, you are shy. You're going to fly away, I'm sure of it. You though, you don't give a, what's that word they say? You just don't give a, look at you, beautiful green feathers today. And your eyes are bright, so that's encouraging. Where are your babies? It's baby time. Is that an uncle over there? Is that an uncle? And is that like a distant cousin or Rosella? Let me see if I'm, she's not there, let me get close. You don't mind, no, do you? Do you mind? No. You mind a bit. Oh, you've gone onto my cool barbecuing fire thingy, majiggy. Where are your babies? That's a female. They don't have the big orange breasts. Uncle over there has got a good groomage. See if I can have a chat with Uncle. Hello, Uncle. How are you today? Fine. Oh, there's just a little bit too much going on in their world. There's a little bit too much going on. They're on edge, verging on angry. I'll leave it to him.